99% of people fail this easy tech quiz. Can you pass? What does CPU stand for in computer hardware? Which computer component is considered the short-term memory of the system? Which company develops the iOS operating system used on iPhones? What does DSLR stand for in the world of photography? What is a GPU primarily used for in a computer? Which type of storage drive has no moving parts and is generally faster? What component provides electricity to all other parts of a desktop computer? What is the main circuit board of a computer called? Which of these is considered an input device? The Galaxy series of popular smartphones is manufactured by which company? What type of wearable gadget is the Apple Watch? What does OLED stand for in modern screen technology? The PlayStation 5 is a gaming console developed by which company? What is thermal paste used for when building a computer? What type of rechargeable battery is most commonly used in modern smartphones? Which of these is a widely used reversible USB connector found on modern devices? The iPad is a highly popular tablet computer created by which tech giant? Which of the following are popular wireless earbuds manufactured by Apple? Amazon Echo smart speakers are powered by which virtual assistant? The Kindle is a popular e-reader device created by which company?